Hello everyone, I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and today I am here to help you with natural solutions for managing psoriasis. As we know, winter can be challenging for those with psoriasis as cold weather often aggravates symptoms like dryness, itching and scaling. But do not worry, today I'll share a unique winter diet plan to help you soothe your skin and keep flare-ups under control during the colder months. So let us jump right into it. First thing first, winter is the season when our skin becomes dry and more prone to irritation. And to manage psoriasis during this time, it's essential to consume food that help keep your skin hydrated and nourished from within. In Ayurveda, we believe that balancing a body's natural internal doshas, particularly Vata and Pitta, is the key to managing psoriasis. So here is what you should focus on. You should start by incorporating healthy fats and omega-3 fatty rich food into your diet. These healthy fats not only help reduces inflammation but also keep your skin moisturized. And I am going to share some great options of these healthy fats, which are flaxseeds, chia seeds, walnuts and avocados. These foods provide essential fatty acids that are vital for skin health, and you can take a small handful of walnuts or a spoonful of flax seeds added to your meals daily. And this can make a huge difference in soothing the dryness associated with psoriasis. Next, let us talk about warming spices you should incorporate in winter season. And you know what, winter is the perfect time to incorporate spices that not only add flavor to your food but also boost digestion and reduces inflammation. So turmeric is my favorite anti-inflammatory spice. It's a powerful healer for psoriasis. You can add a pinch of turmeric to your soups, pulses and curries. The next one is ginger. It is another warming spice that helps improve digestion and circulation and which can support your skin health. You can sip on ginger tea throughout the day to stay warm and detoxify your system. Additionally, other spices like cumin, coriander and cinnamon help balances your doshas. So include them generously in your cooking. Now let us move on to some seasonal produce that works wonders for your skin. Like root vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots and beetroots are excellent for nourishing the skin. They are packed with beta-carotene and antioxidants that help repair damaged skin cells. Plus, these vegetables are naturally sweet, which helps pacify Vata dosha. And leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale and Swiss chard are also rich in vitamin A and C, which promote skin healing. Add these veggies to your soups, stews or stir fries for a nutrient-dense psoriasis-friendly meal. Staying hydrated is equally important in the winter, especially for psoriasis patients, since we often forget to drink enough water during colder months, and I recommend sipping on warm herbal teas to stay hydrated. Herbal teas like chamomile, tulsi or green tea have anti-inflammatory and calming properties that are great for your skin. You can also include coconut water for hydration, which works beautifully to reduce dryness. And last but not the least, let us talk about what to avoid in winter season. So you should avoid certain food that can trigger psoriasis, and it's especially important to steer clear of them during winters, like processed food, refined sugars, dairy products, fried and oily snacks, and these food increases inflammation and can worsen your psoriasis symptoms. Instead, focus on whole unprocessed food that nourish and heal your body from within. So there you have it, a simple but effective winter diet plan for managing psoriasis. And remember, consistency is the key, but following these dietary recommendations, you can help keep your skin hydrated, reduces inflammation and prevent psoriasis flare-up during the colder months. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. And if you have any questions or personal experiences to share, drop them in the comment below and I would love to hear from you. So that's all for today's video. Until then, stay warm, stay healthy and take care of your skin.